Here's what we got. There's the trimmer. We brought our tent again. Generally, whenever I go someplace new, this is the first time I've ever been here, I don't bring the trailer. It wasn't really that difficult of a drive. As for the location, there's still a bit of snow. It rained last night. Some areas are moist. Lots of trees here, lots of shade. We're in this big opening, as you can see. I like this spot because there's just this one little road that gets to this area. Good boy. So we are here in the San Bernardino Mountains. We're a little bit south of Big Bear. Cheers, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day week. We're here on a Wednesday. It's beautiful, it's empty. Not too many people around, which is our favorite. I'm out here collecting firewood for tonight. But the ride up here was pretty nice. I honestly think a two-wheel drive vehicle can make it up here, no problem. The conditions were great. Even though it rained, it was relatively dry. This place is pretty. Wide open. As you can see, no neighbors. Thank goodness. Guys, I think sun's gonna set in like an hour, so I have a little bit of time to process some firewood. Let's go, buddy. So I'm just taking a little walk away from the campsite, trying to explore the area. This probably in a mile radius, there's about 5 yellow post sites. We drove by. They're pretty good distance from each other. Actually, there was 2 spots that were pretty close. Still a lot of snow here. Hey, buddy. Not too far from our campsite. But overall, it's been pretty dry. I mean, not really dry because there's a lot of puddles here from the rain last night. Pretty close to where we live, which we really like, and it's free. Temperature wise, I think today's high is like 45 here. Tonight we're expecting 28 degrees or so. Not a lot of wind, so that's nice. Our campsite's beyond that big beautiful tree right there. Hey buddy. Overall, I really like this place. Alright guys, so the sleep system we brought this time is our trusty old Members Mark 6-person tent. We have our down blankets. This is pretty useful up to temperatures about 30 degrees. We have our sleeping bags just in case, as well as our buddy here. Actually, underneath here I wanted to show you guys, we brought our cot, Coleman cot. I like it because it creates a lot of storage space underneath the bed. And it's pretty decent insulation between you and the environment. So here's the view from the tent. Hey babe.
Hi.
There's the truck in case of emergencies and or bear attack and or it gets too cold. It's going to be a good night. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, the sun is setting. Almost time for dinner. Really excited to try this thing. I'd say it probably dropped about 20-25 degrees. Now that we're out of the sun, of course. Plenty of firewood. We got an iPad, downloaded some YouTube videos. Our tent's all lit up. Hi babe. How warm is it? Pretty good?
I am perfect.
Nice. Don't try this at home, boys. Uh-oh. How was your night, boy? You sleep? Good morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock Thursday morning. It's about 28 degrees. Didn't sleep much last night. The wind was super strong. It sounded like an airplane was over us most of the night. I think I got a few hours of sleep though, so it wasn't too bad. We weren't that cold. The buddy heater was on for most of the night, but we used our double blankets and our buddy heater, meaning our dog. Anyways, I'm gonna start the fire. We'll hang out a little bit, get some breakfast, drink some coffee, and then we'll probably hit some trails. Guys, so that is our Thomas Hunting Grounds camping trip. We had a great time other than the wind. The weather was nice, low is 28. We actually handled it pretty well without sleeping bags. We just used our two down blankets. We're gonna go drive home. I'll include some drone footage if the wind isn't too bad. Anyways, it's a great place. Check it out, Thomas Mountain Yellow Post Sites.
All I want
Finish our Thomas Hunting Ground adventure. Thomas Hunting Ground yellow post sites. We had a good time. We just aired back up. Hit that like button, help us out. And if you want to see more adventures, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, see you next time. Peace out.